hat. The tall hat, this one. Oh. What do we have here? Oh, what's this? It's a hanky. Everybody say white hanky. I'll do magic with the white hanky. Everybody say white hanky magic. What will happen to the white hanky? What's this? Oh. What? What? Whoa! Clap your hands. Thank you. You cover the fire. Nothing inside the nothing inside. Everybody say magic fire. Oh, thank you. Wow. Thank you. Next flowers. Oh, 2 flowers. Wow. We have 2 flowers. Put it here. Next flower. Yes. I have the color blue magic wand. Watch this. Whoa. Something came out. And the color is red. Alright. What's this? This is my favorite magic. What? What happened to the wand? It's multiplying. Alright. What's up? Oh, what happened again? What's happening to the... Oh, what happened again? Oh, what's happening to the wand? Yes. It's the color blue. What? I only need the color blue. What? I only need the color blue. What? I don't need what? Can we use this as a magic wand? Can we? Let's find out. Everybody say magic. Magic. Let's find out if we can use it. Oh, what? Something is happening. What's this? Oh. Thank you. Clap your hands. It's one of the roses every Valentine's Day. What's this?